Welcome to Dialogue 26. Peter gets up at 6:15. It's Sunday the 21st of April 2018. He makes the breakfast and he does the washing up. He then makes his bed and does a bit of cleaning. He makes a list of what he needs to buy at the shop and then he finishes getting dressed. He does the shopping quickly. He buys a chicken and some fresh vegetables. His girlfriend Sarah is making the dessert. He must hurry up because the roast chicken will take 1 hour and a half to bake in the oven. He peels the potatoes and scrapes the skin off the carrots. He then boils them for 20 minutes. He puts the chicken in the oven at 175 degrees centigrade. After 45 minutes he puts the boiled vegetables in the oven with the chicken. He then starts making the table. The chicken will be ready in 20 minutes, so he puts some frozen peas on to boil. He then makes the gravy with some boiled water, a stock cube, some of the juices of the chicken and some flour. He's quite good at this dish. It's a pity it's the only dish he knows how to prepare. Ding dong, it's the doorbell.